Hello friends, welcome back to new video. In this way, I am going to share all the assignments of this course. Please subscribe to the channel and hit on like button, subscribe button, and please share with your friends. If you want to join the WhatsApp group, the link is in the description. To getting latest updates of the NPTEL, you can join the WhatsApp group. Please share with your friends. In this way, I will help you in getting more marks in your assignments. If you have any doubts in writing assignments, please comment below. If you have any doubts about your career or your other questions, please comment below. I will try to solve all the questions as per my knowledge. Please share with your friends and comment below if you have any doubts regarding other subjects also. I will try to help you with all aspects of these courses. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and turn on bell icon. Thank you for watching this video and continue to watch this video, and please share with your friends. Take care. Bye.